All right, class. So today's Tuesday's homework help, and we are adding and subtracting fractions. We're going to add here. Look, when you add or subtract fractions, your denominators must be the same, and they are here. So let's deal with the fractions first. So we got 7, and we add our numerators. That's 3. Then we add our whole numbers, 5, 6, 7, 8. Use fingers and toes. This is our answer. You're going to do the same thing over here, okay? You're going to do the same thing over here, okay? Now let's look. These are different. There's no common denominator here. I'm going to write them vertically like I did on Monday. So I have to find a common denominator. Remember how we did that. The largest number, write the multiples. The first multiple of 7 is 7. 3 will not go into 7. The second is 14, because I'm saying 7 times 1, then 7 times 2, then 7 times 3. And of course, 3 will go into 21. So we're going to use 21 as the common denominator. Okay. Now, what number can we multiply times 7 to give me 21? 3. So I'm going to multiply the top by 3, and I get 15 here. What number can I multiply times this 3 to give me 27? 21, 7. So I multiply 7 here. I'm going to get 14. Now I can subtract. When I subtract the numerators, 15 minus 14, that gives me 1. Denominator stays the same. This is my answer. That fraction is already reduced. Okay? Going to do the same thing here. Common denominator. Let me reduce this fraction. When we reduce this fraction, we can divide both the top and the bottom by 2. So that gives me 4 on the top for this fraction, 6 on the bottom for this fraction. I could have used a bigger number. I could have used 4, right? That would have given me 2 on the top and 3 on the bottom. Okay, so now I'm going to subtract 1/5 from it. Common denominator is going to be 15. Okay, how'd you get 15, Ms. Reyes? The largest number between the denominators is 5, so write the multiples of 5. The first multiple of 5 is 5. The second multiple of 5 is 10. 3 will not go into 5. 3 will not go into 10. But the third multiple, 15, 3 will go into. So we're going to multiply 3 times 5. That gives us 15. Whatever you multiply the top by, you multiply the bottom by. So this is going to give me 10 here. Okay? What do I multiply here to get 15? 3. So I multiply the top here also by 3. 1 times 3 gives me 3. Now I'm going to subtract my numerators. 10 minus 3 is 7. Denominator stays the same. Let's do the next one. We need a common denominator. Okay? Again, your common denominator here is going to be 45. Why, Miss Reyes, is going to be 45? Let me write the original. We can reduce this. Let's reduce this fraction. Divide both the top and bottom by 3. This is going to be 2. This is going to be 3. Okay? And we got minus 2 over 5. All right, so we're going to find, we did the common denominators for 3 and 5 already, and it was 15. Multiply this number times 5 to get 15. So you're going to also multiply the top by 5. That gives you 10. Multiply by 3 to get 15 here. So you're going to multiply the top also by 3. That's going to give us 6. So now you can subtract. 10 minus 6 gives you 4. Denominator stays the same. This is your answer. Okay, so you're going to do that for these. You got to find common denominators, You don't have to find common denominators here. You're going to do these 2 problems like I did this first one. Okay? All right, y'all. Have a good one. Ask questions if you need more practice. Let me know.